How do you add a sink outdoors if you don't have plumbing? And what do mermaids use to wash their fins? Second one's easy. Tide. Today I'm making an upgrade to my patio that I have always wanted to do, a legit outdoor sink, and it's all thanks to the people at Ozark River. They sent me this over. Let me show it to you. That there is the Titan Pro from Ozark River. It is a fully contained outdoor sink that you do not need specific plumbing for. This is an all-in-one self-contained sink. It came with the cabinet, a built-in sink, the faucets. It even came with a built-in paper towel dispenser. Everything I need to put a sink on my patio. And I don't need plumbing because of this really unique feature. A box that falls out. No. Inside here we have two jugs, a freshwater jug and a wastewater jug. All you need to do is fill the freshwater jug with fresh water, take this, plug it in, and that's it. And then the real heart of the system is this. It is a pump. This will do hot and cold water right out of this sink, and all I need is to fill up those tanks and plug it in. I can put it anywhere I want. It rolls around. Nice, right? And the setup could not be easier. It came with this box. It has a built-in soap dispenser that goes right there, a little sink strainer and plug, the actual faucet, and some instructions. All we got to do is push this guy like that. We got to fill this guy with some fresh, clean water. This guy is heavy after you fill it. Clicks on with a quick connect. Take your plug through the grommet on the bottom. Let's go fill this up with some soap. Okay, there is a switch on the side. We're gonna turn our sink on. Now you take your wastewater, put it here. You can close your sink. The pump will run for a little bit, then it's gonna turn off. Now we need to do what's called priming the pump. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn this to the on position. And then we're gonna turn this to the on position. We're trying to get the air out of the system. If you are having a problem with it still sputtering and not quite working, I had a small issue and I found it. Inside here, there are two quick connects. The one that attaches to the tank and the one that attaches to the pump. My pump connection was a little bit loose. I had to push it in until it fully clicked. And then, I don't know about you, but I do all my cooking outside. I do a lot of my prep outside. So I'm constantly then having to drag dirty things from outside into the house. I'm dripping barbecue grease on the floor. I'm traipsing stuff all over. It's kind of annoying. The fact that I can now wash up outside and just bring clean items inside is a total lifesaver for me. I am super excited to have this on my patio. Now, I constantly have to move things around. I have to do all sorts of stuff to accommodate for different setups and different grills. So I can't do a full-on built-in kitchen like I would like to. But if you can, they offer just the pump and the system separately, without a sink, without a cabinet, without everything, and it's really affordable. I believe it's like $750. You buy that, and then you can build it into any sink setup, any kitchen setup that you want. You can pretty much put a sink anywhere as long as it has an electrical outlet nearby to power the pump. It's pretty useful. I'm gonna take a few minutes here and reconfigure my patio once again and put this sink in a nice place. I had this nice little spot right here next to our sliding glass door, which had a trash bin next to it anyway, made kind of the perfect little hand wash station. Having it out here just makes the outdoor area so much more functional, and I love it. If you're interested in picking one up, I'm gonna throw a couple links down in the description to where you can get them. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment. I love answering comments. And if you enjoyed this video, please do the likey subscribe thing. Throw a guy subscribe, won't hurt you, it's free. Come on. So, with all that out of the way, I guess there's only one question left to answer. Why can't dinosaurs clap their hands? Because they're extinct. Yeah, pretty bad. Dad may tell horrible dad jokes, make amazing upgrades to his outdoor patio, but one thing Dad will never do is an outro. So that's it. Bye. This is the part where I thank all of my members. You guys are the absolute best. Thank you so much for your support, and rock on. I don't know why I said rock on, but rock on.